What's good, y'all? It's BBG on 26 is back at it again with another video. I want to first start by saying I apologize. It's been a while since I posted. I've had a lot going on, and I ain't gonna lie, I've been getting stuff done to the truck behind the scenes, but I ain't really been doing too much just because I've been working. And I went on a cruise. I just got back from my cruise, and yeah, I just wanted to make like a update video of what's going on and stuff like that. Firstly, part of the reason I ain't really been posting is just because I've been waiting for parts to get here, and it's been taking a long time. I had to send stuff back and get refunded for stuff, because yeah, stuff times is just terrible right now, for getting parts in general. But today I'm going to install like 2 really quick mods. It's not going to be a long video today. The next video will be a longer video because the mod I'm doing, I'm gonna have to get underneath the truck and wire some stuff, and yeah. But today is just like an update slash a quick little parts install of what's going on. So I'm gonna do, I also got a haircut, as y'all can see. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip the camera and just basically go over the updates of the truck. And we will start popping in some more car content back in here with the car. But I've just been doing other things with my money and time and stuff like that. And the truck really hardly ever gets driven. It just kind of sits here. Just because I'm trying to do big stuff all at one time instead of just doing little stuff, and you know what I'm saying, and it all be over the place. But anyways, let me flip the camera and I'm gonna go over some of the updates with the truck. Okay, so the first update is, as you can see, I did ended up getting those little things taken off the sides finally. Yeah, it took me about a month just to get this done. The person I was taking it to had, I don't know, he had put people in front of me. Stuff got pushed off. I do need to take it back to him though, because I need him to look at some stuff, and there's some damage to my door right there, and I'm gonna see what he can do. Anyways, the second update is the front. So I ordered clears. As you can see, I put the bottom lenses on, and those are brand new, and then I still got the crusty ones on top. And the reason that is if we come back here, the ones they sent, they're broken. I'm gonna see if I can get somebody to fix them within the next day or two, but they're broken. So that's why, you know, I just put the bottom lenses on for right now until I figure out what I want to do with that. I did paint the bow tie blue, and I got my old OEM Plus badge up here from my old truck. I got that up there, and I don't believe I showed this, but I also got this like blacked out smoke third brake light, but that's finna come off. I'm actually getting a clear one to match the tail lights because I got clears. That's what we're gonna do. I don't think there's any more. Well, I have one more update, but I'm gonna change this. I just did this temporarily, but I painted these pillars black. It looks really good on camera, well, decent on camera. And I guess after sitting in the sun some, they actually started looking better than when I finished with them. But I painted these pillars black. But I may be trying to just look for some OEM ones. This headliner's gonna come out, and I'm gonna try to see if I can go to the junkyard and find the gray visors before I decide to spray these. So that's all pretty much for the updates. I'm also waiting for an exhaust tip to get here, because we're gonna do a muffler delete and a dual exit out exhaust. And I'm gonna try to have it about out here if I can, because I want it to be as out here as possible so you can see it visibly when I'm driving. But we're just going to do a muffler delete with a single exit back to the dual exhaust tip. But today, what I'm going to be installing first, we're going to be installing these corner light LED bulbs, because this, I believe, I still gotta get the daytime running lights here, but I already got these in the mail. So I was like, I'm gonna just go ahead and throw them in here because I hate this marker light, this corner light bulb here. So I'm gonna change it out with the LED ones. So I'm gonna put these here. It's really simple to change those out. And then I also, for the rear of the truck, on my old truck, when you click the brakes, I had the LED brake light bulbs that flashed when you click the brakes. It was pretty cool. They're really bright, especially at nighttime. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these out that are in here and run the flashing bulbs. And that's gonna be pretty much it. I'm gonna start up front first, work our way to the back, and I'm gonna show y'all overall how it looks and stuff like that. And yeah, let's get to it. So first, I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all the before. All right, let's turn all the lights on. As you can see, they are crusty, these yellow halogen bulbs. And then you look overall, it just doesn't look good, bro. Does not look good. So yeah, we're gonna take those out. Man. Stupid. First, we're gonna do pop your hood, obviously. Slide these pins out. Remove the top housing. Real simple. And then down here, there's a tab. You crush it with your fingers. Slide it out. And you come here, in, twist this out. And you just take it out with your fingers. There you go. Real quick, real simple. Ain't too much to it. It's gonna pop out. Alright, this is the wrong package. Let me go grab that one. Bro, I hate when companies do this. Why y'all keep putting a package in a package? Come on, baby. I mean, having to rip over all this stuff. As you can see though, Oxito is my favorite brand. They got the best quality for the price. Cannot beat it. Now, hopefully these work. They said it was the right size. Y'all know how eBay go. Let's see what we're working with. These look humongous. These look like they're gonna give me a bunch of brightness though. Not gonna lie. Okay. Snap comes in. Snap. Okay, hold on. Try this way. Yep. And we got light. I just gotta, there we go. And there we go, y'all. There we go. So I'm gonna repeat the same steps on the other side, and then I'm gonna show y'all how the front end looks. Then we're gonna go to the back and finish up what we gotta do. All right, y'all. So we got them in, and it looks a whole lot better with them in there now. I'm gonna fix this side because it's pointing out and it should be straight, but they look a whole lot better, bro, with the corner lights in. Now I just need to get the daytime running lights and that harness to where it connects all the lights together so it'll be running. But y'all let me know what y'all think. So now we're gonna move to the back. All right, so for the tail lights, real simple. Just 2 screws, one here, one here. Take your screw.
Really, nigga?
And then just pops up. You push your bottom one, and mine is crusty. There we go. And it pops this, and you take it out. Now, I remember to always do this with the lights off, because I have shorted out and had to replace harnesses and these a bunch of times, and it's very annoying. But at my house, I do have a backup harness just in case one of these do go out. But hopefully I gotta change one of them again, because on my old truck, it took me like 2 hours to do. Not because of the harness, like it being hard to install, but there's a lot of trial and error, and I had to keep checking my pieces. So we'll just plug this in here, and I'm gonna turn on the truck and see if it'll work. So yeah. And as you can see, it works. I'm gonna see if the brake light will do the little flasher thing for y'all. I'm gonna get like a recording of me actually hitting the brakes, and the tripod's gonna be put back further so you can see what I'm talking about, but I just wanna see if it's gonna flash. We're gonna put these back in here, repeat the other side, and then, you know, go on to the next thing in the video.
Real quick, I do want to show you. This is a regular halogen bulb, by the way. And this is the LED bulb. It is way brighter. The sun isn't doing it justice, but it is way brighter in person. Especially at nighttime, but you can actually see the bulbs in there. So, especially with the clear's gonna help a lot, but yeah. So let me finish the other side, and then I'm gonna end the video. All right, y'all, so the truck is on and everything's installed. Like I said, with the clears, it's gonna look even better, but you can definitely see the difference with the LED bulbs being in here. It looks a lot better, a lot brighter. It's crazy what just some simple mods can do to a truck, bro. All I got is a little 3-inch level up here. All my, you know, bulbs and stuff changed, and, you know, little slight stuff, and it looks a whole lot better, man. So I'm really excited about that. Really excited for the project overall, you know, just taking my time with it. Anyways, y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is gonna be the end of the video. I appreciate y'all helping me get to 461 subs. I really want to get to 500, so let's keep pushing. The next video is gonna be even better than this one, because the mod I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just point to where it is, and if you know how my old truck was set up, you know what I'm about to do. This area right here, something special coming to this area right here. That's all I'm gonna say. Y'all gotta stay tuned to the next video. BBG on 26s out.